ఇంతకు ముందు వీడియోలో స్టైర్సో ఐలాండ్కి వెళ్ళడానికి ఫెర్రీ జర్నీ అంతా అంటే షిప్ జర్నీ అంతా షూట్ చేశాను. ఈ వీడియోలో ఐలాండ్కి చేరుకున్న తర్వాత అక్కడ ఉన్న వీధులు, పెద్ద పెద్ద రాక్స్ చుట్టూ ఉన్న ఓషన్ వ్యూను షూట్ చేశాను. అంతే.
బోట్ లాగా ఉన్నదానికి ముందు వైపు చిన్న బ్లాక్ కలర్ అదేంటో బైక్ లాగా.
అది మోటార్. అది
మోటార్ అంట.
Smooth as a silky pillowcase, slither in my innocent oasis. You bring the pain, I deliver patience. I see the lion and try to tame him. I know the werewolf behind the sheep, familiar the scent of deceit behind your pretty teeth. Saying need space to breathe, but what does that really mean? I don't believe when you said to me you really need space to breathe. What you really got up your sleeve?
ఇక్కడ ఇలా ఉంది. ప్రతి ఇంటికి ఇలాంటి వెహికల్ ఒకటి ఉంది. ఇంకొక చిన్న మినీ ఆటో లాంటిది లగేజ్ క్యారీ చేయడానికి, షిప్ దగ్గరికి చేరుకోవడానికి ప్రతి ఇంటికి ఉంది.
Smooth as a silky pillowcase, slither in my innocent oasis. You bring the pain, I deliver patience. I see the lion and try to tame him. I know the werewolf behind the sheep.
ఇలా వీధి మధ్యలో నడుస్తూ ఉంటే సముద్రం మధ్యలో ఉన్నాము అనే ఫీలింగ్ అస్సలు రాలేదు.
I know the werewolf behind the sheep, familiar the scent of deceit behind your pretty teeth. Saying need space to breathe, but what does that really mean? I don't believe when you said to me you really need space to breathe. What you really got up your sleeve? I don't believe when you said to me you really need space to breathe. I know something's up your silky little sleeve. Your silky little sleeve. Something's up your silky little sleeve. Your silky little sleeve. I seen it coming from up the block. Must be the one that you think I'm not. Let me remind you if you forgot. I'm not the one or the two or the three or the five. Yeah, you need space, go ahead, get your life. While you're searching, hope you find, act right, saying you're fine. Read between lines, I was born at night, not last night. I can't believe when you said to me you really need space to breathe. But you really got up your sleeve. I don't believe when you said to me you really need space to breathe. I know something's up your silky little sleeve. You said to me, you really need space to breathe. What you really got up your sleeve, I don't believe when you said to me, you really need space to breathe. I know something's up your sleeve.
Never thought I'd fly over my own state. Something about those city lights were calling out my name. Now mama, don't you cry. You know there'll come a day where I come visit you at home. And if I never stay, the same old worn out welcome sign with population getting by. Crossing that county line brings back the good old days, with the same old station on the side of that homegrown two-lane paradise. Watching that midnight sky you don't see in LA. This big world will always change, but the small town will stay the same. This concrete tree line's got my head up in the clouds. A good thing that I got my roots back in steady ground. With the same old small church parking lot, I cried when Bobby tied the knot. By God, we never thought he'd give her his last name, or the ring that I won on the night that we once stayed 14 to 9. Those Friday football lights sure did feel like fame. This big world will always change, but the small town will stay the same. Fuck these freeways led to freedom. Thought I'd leave and find my way, but when this big map tide breaks me down, I go back to the place where the same old worn out welcome sign with population getting by. Crossing that county line brings back the good old days. The same old station on the side of that homegrown two-lane paradise. Watching that midnight sky that makes me wanna stay. This big world will always change, but the small town will stay the same.
Porch light flicker on the siding, moths dancing like they know the tune. Porch light flicker on the siding, moths dancing like they know the tune. Every breath feels borrowed, but tonight the world's in tune. Chair hums beneath me, plank boards keep the time. Old chair hums beneath me, plank boards keep the time. If this sound ain't perfect, that's how I always mine. Someone left the radio humming low next door. Someone left the radio humming low next door. Static sings the harmony. I couldn't ask for more. the porch light burn uneven. Let the shadows play. Yeah, the porch light burn uneven. Keep the night from drifting away. If this ain't heaven, it'll do for today.
Like it's delirium, ay, ay, like it's delirium, ay, I got delirium, ay, like it's delirium, yeah, yeah, like it's delirium. She just wanna bounce to it, baby, get your giddy on. Walk up to the stage with a drink like I'm Giveon, but I never came here to sing what I'm really on. Giving dividends, I'm trying to boost your career and all. Know you got a Benz, she ain't got one with the ceiling gone. If you wanna get it gone, give me the experience. Make me a believer like a feature at the cinema. Then we gotta keep it all a secret like the Pentagon. All these peeping times, people asking me what we been on. I know that it's bond, they just wishing they could watch it glow, watch it go through the fire like the Shaka song. Or was it yay? Either way, she gon' play the PlayStation, I'll play the Xbox, good gracious. I'm so grateful, it made me say thank you, thank you, thank you, yeah.
I swear she drives me crazy, think my brain is gone. Man, I just can't shake it like delirium. When I get this faded, your body, I just can't shake it. And I just want you to run up on me all night long.
Yeah, like it's delirium.
World's in tune. Old chair hums beneath me, plank boards keep the time. Old chair hums beneath me, plank boards keep the time. If this sound ain't perfect, that's how it's mine. Someone left the radio humming low next door. Someone left the radio humming low next door. Static sings the harmony. I couldn't ask for light burn uneven. Let the shadows play. Yeah, the porch light burn uneven. Keep the night from drifting away. If this ain't heaven, it'll do for today.
There's a silky pillowcase, slither in my innocent oasis. You bring the pain, I deliver patience. I see the lion and try to tame him. I know the werewolf behind the sheep, familiar the scent of deceit behind your pretty teeth. Saying need space to breathe, but what does that really mean? I don't believe when you said to me you really need space to breathe. What you really got up your sleeve, huh? I don't believe when you said to me you really need space to breathe.